These birds attract females by making sounds from their two large yellow air sacs. Greater sage grouse, also known as Centrocercus europhagianus, are native to the sagebrush steppe landscapes of North America, primarily found in the western United States and parts of Canada. During their mating season, male sage grouse perform elaborate courtship displays known as strutting. They fan their tail feathers, puff out their chests, and create distinct sounds to attract females. These birds are known for their striking appearance, including a fan-shaped tail with white-tipped feathers, a large, rounded body, and a peculiar yellow air sac on their chest that inflates during displays. Greater sage grouse populations have declined due to habitat loss from urban development, agriculture, and energy extraction.